aka Chief Imo, aka International Chief, aka Dr. Imo, aka I have a lot of AKAs, but that's not the reason I am here, and that's not the reason for this video. I am making this video to correct some impression, or to correct an impression, or to really seek your opinion over some certain things that is happening. Our people used to say that we are, or the Bible said, we are in the world, but we are not of the world. And there's another or depending when this video gets to you, already you know my name. I am Longinus Amakute, aka Chief Imo, aka International Chief, aka Dr. Imo, aka I have a lot of AKAs, but that's not the reason I am here, and that's not the reason for this video. I am making this video to correct some impression, or to correct an impression, or to really seek your opinion over some certain things that is happening, or to really seek your opinion. That we are, or the Bible said, we are in the world, but we are not of the world. And there's another adage that says, whatever measure you use on another person, that same measure will be used on you, or to you, or at you, or inside of you. I want an answer, and I want every of us who is listening to me, or who are listening to me, to make a contribution, or to say your opinion or your mind over this, because it has happened several, and because I am not a type that do come online to rant over things that does not concern me, or I'm not good in coming out to use every little thing that happens to catch crews or to get attention. But before I could do this video, he has really gotten to this place, which I can no longer tolerate, or which I have to put a correction or a pause to it before you get to another level. I'm talking about our people. I'm talking about myself. I'm talking about fans. I'm talking about friends. I'm talking about people, customers, people that are supposed to be a role model, people that went to school, you know, they claim they have it all, they have money, they went to school, they are graduates, they are this, they are that, they are classy. In fact, they are everything in this whole world. Yet, the same local person has sense upstairs more than you do. You called me on phone. Let me start. On a Saturday, every entertainer that is always available on Saturday, Sunday, and every weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I don't think you're doing well. Every entertainer, not all kind of entertainment, because everybody has his own pattern, everybody has his own way. Let me talk about myself. Anybody in my class or anybody in my shoes should know that Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's always our days of work. Then from Monday till Thursday, it's either we are shooting a movie or we are shooting a skit. We must be doing one thing or the other. We don't have time that we sit down at home to wait for your call until you call me and I will pick your calls. You're calling me on a Saturday. You're calling by 1 p.m. Your mind should tell you that this guy might be on stage. Today is Saturday. Oh, as a busy person he is, he should be somewhere anchoring an event. You called me 5 times. From 1 p.m. till whatever. I did not pick. When it's 3 p.m., you started calling again. You gave me 5 missed calls. I did not pick. You call me by 3:49 to 4. You leave missed calls. I did not respond yet. Your mindset should tell you, and you're calling with a number that I did not register. I'm not supposed to pick your call, even. I'm not supposed to pick your call when I don't know your number. When I don't have your number saved, I'm not supposed to. But because of the kind of business we do, somebody can refer somebody to you. Then when somebody refers you to me, the first thing you should do is either you go on WhatsApp. That is how people who are eligible do. Or that is what they do. You go on WhatsApp, you drop a message. Or you send me text message. This is so personal. So person gave me your number. That will make my mind relax to call you back immediately. But you never do any of those things. You did not drop a message. You call and call and call. All you do is immediately you call me by 4:30. I did not pick. You pick up your phone and begin to write. Who the hell you think you are? Unquote. Remember, listen to me very well. Who the hell do you think you are? What are you even claiming? What do you even feel you are? If left for me alone, I can't even hire you for 10 naira. If not that my mother and my brothers are insisting that it must be Chief Imo. Chief Imo, this, I don't know what's so special about this Chief Imo, that I'm calling you on phone. Do you know who I am? Do you know the class of people I am? I have called so artists. I just transferred 15 million naira for his performance. I just called so person. I just called those people are more classy than you. They are more celebrated than you. This is saying a whole lot of things. Somebody you don't know. Somebody you've not met before. I don't have any business with you. Oh yes, I don't. You are the one who is sick or who is trying to get my attention to come and work for you. You said a whole lot of things. No wonder some of your colleagues, when I said I want to call you, some of your colleagues, remember, some of your colleagues said, hey, don't call that guy, he's always feeling too big. I don't even know how much he has that makes him to feel too big. He will disappoint you, he will collect your money and he will not come. And that guy said, I detest him, blah, blah, blah. Some of your colleagues say all those things, but yet, my mother then insisted that it must be you. You pick up your phone, you write, after everything, go to hell with your fucking trash. Like seriously? Like, is it me you are talking to in that tone? When I came out of stage around 8, 9, because I was almost gone, I was stressed out. So I decided to check a little, and I saw a message. I opened it. I saw missed calls. I first of all go to, because I know if I see such number of missed calls, the person must have dropped a message or should have sent me text. And exactly that's what happened. But the other way, the reverse became the case. What I saw, I was like, what can be wrong with? Is this coming from somebody that suckled her mother's breast? Or is it from animal kingdom? Or is this message coming from somebody who was not trained, who was not properly brought up? Because I don't get it. I was mad. I see how I wish this person is close to me, is talking to me face to face. Today, I am man love. I'm not fighting because I'm not good in fighting. But I will finish that person up the next year or his next life. He will never ever think of talking to me. I wanted to call back with the anger. I wanted to call back. I wanted to write back. But no, I said if I do this, my inner self, who is me, my inner self, because that is where we know who you are. When you are upset, when you are angry, those things you do when you are angry, that's what defines you. As somebody of my class, as somebody that is coming from a home, because I said no. Talking back to this non-entity would make me a nobody. I did not reply. I did not talk. I was just calm. But then something in me keep pushing me. Talk, call back, blah blah blah. I said no. If I reply the way she wrote to me, I will make a mistake. I said, thank you for your message. God bless you. But please, may I know who you are? Because all the things you say here is not me. Maybe you are writing from what you gathered from enemies. Because if you had known me very well, you won't write or talk to me in this tone. Please, who are you? My father's funeral is coming soon, and my mother and my brothers who live in the US, they are insisting we must bring you, blah, 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 blah. We say, yes, fine and good. We are writing. Even if they want you to bring me, that doesn't give you the audacity to write to me in that tone. She said, I am sorry, I was in my bad mood. She started calling. I didn't pick. The ego, as a man I am, the ego in me, the ego, you know, the ego in me. I started feeling too big. I said, no, I will not pick this call. But along the line, I have to pick. Calmly, we said, hello, they're speaking to Chief Imo Worldwide, an international chief, somebody whom God raised from dust to grace, somebody who was nobody yesterday, and today he becomes somebody, or because that God has made him somebody, and a lot of people do not believe that he could later become somebody. They are angry and jealous of him. This is the person. This is how I describe myself. And she was just listening. Chief, please, I'm sorry for the way I talk to you. You know, sometimes if you gather wrong information about people, I have asked for your number for almost a few days now, and I called one of your colleagues from Onitsha, I called one of your colleagues from Owerri, and the way they talked about you, I have to get back to my people and tell them no need of calling him, blah, 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 blah. You see, well, I'm not interested in whatever anybody has said about me. What I'm interested on is whom I am and why you are calling me. So let's go to business. You see it. Some of us will use it to catch me. Some of us will start shouting, and it will bring fight. After talking to her, she told me their date. I said, sorry, the date is fully booked. Okay, let me get back to my people. We can change the date. It's not really stamped. They call me. They say, okay, what of the other date? I said, fine, it's booked. Then I heard he paid somebody 15 million naira. I said, wow, an artist like me has been given 15 million. I will not come too low. I will not step too low. In fact, I even like the way she responded, because on you end up with Ezri. You go nata. And you be the but you could go naga. I don't care. Why am I making this video? This is not the first time. This is not the second time. You are calling somebody of this kind, or any of us, anybody, even if it's only when you place yourself higher than every other person, you will begin to feel that everybody will be lazy or will be available at all times. I value everybody. I cherish everybody. Even the mad person on the street. For the fact that person is living, I value you. You don't do this. First of all, send message. That's how we do it. If I call you, I know how many of our colleagues have called for months, for years now. They've not even replied my call or my text messages. Till now. Have I killed them? Have I gone to court to sue them? Have I insulted them? Even in them manamka in level. So some of these small comedians that are coming up, who feel they have arrived. Somebody will tell me, please get this person for me. I want you guys to, I will be calling that person. One bash yesterday. And he will see my call. He will see my text messages. He will not reply. He will not call. Even on his live video, I will comment, please check your inbox. I wrote you a message. He will read my message on WhatsApp and he will not respond to it. Even if you are busy, it cannot take you 2 years not to reply. To hell with you. I don't care whoever you are or what people think you are. So it's really getting on my nerves. You call me missed calls. That is not a reason for me to call you back. Oh yes, it's not a good reason for me to call you back, because I have a lot of numbers. The moment you are calling, thousands of people are calling. So I will see line up missed calls. I say, I just watching your comedy. I saw your number. I was just watching your comedy and I saw your number. I said, let me flash it and know if flashing the first person. You call the second person. Because I don't know what I think I get with 2 million. And what 1.5 or from 500,000. You help me. No, the call lines. Should I continue? I will end it immediately because I'm not a bank and I don't run charity organization. So when I don't call first, second, and I will see other unknown numbers, I will say anybody who is interested, who really wants me, will call back. Or I'll go to my inbox. If you have send me messages, I will return it. That is how it's done. I don't know if what I did is bad. I don't know if I have really done anything wrong to so many of us who go around. They are only seeking for somebody's downfall. But you cannot bring down somebody whom God has lifted. Already I know I am lifted. Even if you don't know, I know. I sing it as a song. I don't know if you have listened to that song. Go and listen to that song and then hear that testimony. It's not just a mere composed song. It's a song with direction. It's a song from above. It's an inspirational song that will bring light into you and that will also spice up spice up your day. So please mind what you say to others. If you know the measure you want people to use on you, then use it to others. Don't try to say when you are not sure. Don't make people feel belittled because of your category or because of where you belong. I don't care to know who you are. But please respect me for who I am, then I will also respect you for whom you are. And you didn't place me here, so don't talk to me anyhow. I deserve your respect. I deserve your comportment. So you don't talk to me like a nobody. Please. I come in peace. Sorry, I'm raising my voice. That's me when I'm angry. But I don't mean to appear insultive to you. But I have just poured out my mind. Every other person should take correction. Share this video. Let it get to others. It's also a lesson. It's also a teaching. It's not just blabbing. I didn't come to catch cruise or to gain followers. No. I'm already made. God has made me. And whoever God makes remains. Oh, my mother made you call. 18 years ago, this one say Bulela Melu Kubam, Gidibam. I don't know how many people who had that song that time. So please, I love you all, and then stay focused, stay tuned, stay blessed, stay energized, and stay sanitized, and stay brainful. Watch before you speak. Subscribe to Chief Imo's Comedy on YouTube. Follow my Facebook. Please ignore any other person telling you to bring 10 naira to give you 1,000 after 1 hour. Scammers everywhere. Any other person, any video, even if they use my mother's face, do one. Now lie, you know be me. Don't say I did not. I've been saying this for over 5 years now. A lot of people are still falling victim. Any video telling you Chief Imo said you should bring 10,000, they will give you 1 million. Oh, stay away from scammers. God bless you. I love you all. Cut it or thank you.